What's shaking, cocktail fans? I'm Tory from Pratt Standard Cocktail Company, and I'm here today to show you how to make a proper tequila sunrise. So we're going to be doing a proper tequila sunrise, and the most important part of a proper tequila sunrise is using real grenadine. So our grenadine is made from pomegranate juice, cane sugar, and orange blossom water, and a tiny touch of clove, which means it's not as sweet as modern grenadine. Modern grenadine's made from red 40 dye, cherry flavoring, and high fructose corn syrup. So this is a much better version and makes a tequila sunrise that doesn't make you feel horrible the next day. So there are two different versions of the tequila sunrise we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing the classic traditional one, which is where you take the grenadine and you let it settle to the bottom because it's thicker than the tequila and the orange juice, and it creates a nice sunrise effect. And then we're actually going to be doing a shaken version of the cocktail that doesn't have the sunrise effect, but tastes a lot better. So I'm just going to show you how to make both. The original is really, really simple. So we've just got a glass here. You can use whatever kind of glass you have. It's great in wine glasses. Basically any glass works. We're going to put a single ice cube in, just because it looks cool. And then we're going to start with the tequila. We're going to do 2 ounces of tequila. This is one of my favorites. It's nice and smooth. It's just a Blanco, so not a Reposado. Reposado would be fine, but honestly, I think a plain tequila works best in this. Then we're going to add our orange juice, freshly squeezed, 2 ounces. And they blend nicely. And now finally we're gonna add our grenadine. And this is gonna sink to the bottom. We're gonna do 1 ounce of grenadine. Just like that. And you can choose to garnish this cocktail if you like. If you do garnish it, I recommend that you do a orange wheel. So cut your orange across the sphere, so you get a nice pattern like that. And then try to cut it in an even width all the way across so it doesn't flap over on you. And then cut a nice piece in the side like this so that you can stick it onto the glass. Like that. And there's your classic tequila sunrise. But you'll notice we didn't mix any ingredients, we didn't dilute the cocktail, we didn't do all the classic things that you're supposed to do for a good cocktail. So while this would taste fine, the tequila is going to sit on the top, so you basically taste straight booze first, and then you taste orange, and then at the end of the cocktail it tastes super sweet, which is often not how you actually want to finish drinking a cocktail. That is just not going to leave a good taste in your mouth. It's just way too much sugar. So instead, we're also going to be shaking a version today. So you won't get the sunrise effect, but it'll taste great. So we're going to build in our small shaker tin. And always use more ice than you think you need. That's the biggest mistake most people make with cocktails, is they use too little ice. We're going to use the same exact ratios. So 2 ounces of tequila, equal parts tequila and orange. And then 1 ounce of our grenadine for that nice, slightly sweet, but pomegranate flavor. So it's got this nice tartness to it as well. So with the orange juice, it's not overwhelming. Especially with this cocktail, don't overshake. It's got plenty of citrus in it already, so it won't taste too boozy if you shake it a little bit under. And then strain nicely. We already strained our citrus juice, so we don't need to double strain this one as long as you're using a good Hawthorne strainer that can get out those ice shards. So you don't get that sunrise effect, but this one tastes great. So we are going to make another wheel, and this one's going to be prettier probably because it doesn't have the hole in the middle of the orange. We'll see, it may not be prettier. We're going to find out. Cool. There you are. That is Tequila Sunrise, my preferred version.